Your speed is okay ka? Naka-okay na. Oh, ano kayang diferensya nun? Yung green and orange. Why? What is green and what is orange? I wonder what's that green one. Ah, tanabasapay. Oh. Oh. Banget. Oh. Grabe. Oh, tagi-start da nga gispalton si kamot lakay. Gispalto da. Nag-bump. Ano laing construction sa Lake Louise. Grabe nilang pinapaganda ang kanilang tourist attraction. Grabe. Slow. Slow. Uy! Ay, naggugo pala. Hindi gaya taga-traffic. Uy, grabing traffic pala, oh. Ay, kawawa naman ang mga to. Ang haba palang traffic. Ay, yun niya. Nakaunag tayo nga kastoy. Sobrang traffic. Sampay tidalan mo. Kaya nagsit nguton.
Bigdak, di pinasarding dak, lalo.
Ay, mamati ka talaga.
Tuling sa ito.
Ulo. Merci.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto the Trans-Canada Highway 1 West ramp to Jasper Field.
Oh.
Turn left onto the Trans-Canada Highway ramp.
Wala na, hindi na makabidyo. Against the light.
Continue for 6.
Oh, ice fields. Oh, papunta ng Jasper. Sayang. Oh. Takeko Falls.
Divide
Oh, the tunnel is up there. Oh, I want to go to Emerald Lake. Oh. Oh, I want to go to Emerald Lake. Oh.
We're back in the cities. Up to Golden.
We arrived 8:58.
It's only when you're going.
Mosquito.
It's okay.
Why?
Wala naman tayo i-fridge.
Tito, get it.
There's no password.
It's not my feet.
Mountain View Cabins and Mountain View Cabins.
Oh, this is how it looks like here. Oh, you still have your milk tea?
Yes, I do.
Oh, wow.
You don't.
Hi, Daddy. Baba. Connected with no internet.
That's bad. Well, we are.
Huh? She's not happy because of the bad Wi-Fi. You have to just leave your phone like there and then later on it will connect just like mine.
It just.
This is in the mountains, so don't expect to have a good internet. Pinahirapan niya yung sarili niya. I said only the purple. It's okay. Daddy, did you read that?
Yeah. Well, are you allowed?
My stuff only. Oh yeah, there are. You can cook. Alright. Yay, we can eat rice. They have rice cooker. No base of the rice cooker, so we still can eat rice.
I want to.
The office there.
So that's our cabin. That's our cabin. She doesn't like here already because there's no Wi-Fi connection. It's a really bad connection. Oh, it's not working pala. Hindi talaga mabuhay mga tao nang walang internet. This is in the mountains, so it's not working. That's the problem. Sorry. Until tomorrow, maybe we have a better place to stay for good Wi-Fi. Too bad. Where are you going, Baba?
Number 1, I'm gonna put my drink in the gas fridge. Number 2, I'm going to the office.
What you gonna do in the office?
I'm gonna get a better signal.
Ang mga bata ngayon hindi mabubuhay na walang Wi-Fi. Ay, walang internet. Ayaw na. Yung kitchen, papunta yun sa kitchen. Free-fridge daw niya yung inumin niya. Sarap yung inumin niya. Yung bubble tea.
Did you put name on it?
No.
You should! Napan na dyan officean, napan nga nagreklamo, apeha nga agwo-work na dyan Wi-Fi connection. At pagkataubing. That's part of their service. Sana ko na Amerikano nga talaga. She's not happy. There's no Wi-Fi. She can't watch her movie. She cannot download her movie for the next road trip. And she is looking for Walmart. There's no Walmart. There's no Walmart. You're in the middle of nowhere. Nasa Pilipinas na daw kayo. Hindi mo bagay sa Pilipinas. Lalo na pag sa bukid. Hindi ka pwede doon. Ako mabubuhay akong wala. Nang bagalan. So bad. Ay, agay. Anong patayak? Ay. Agay, ang tinagawan mo. Ito ang kapulante. Maguyot ni. Inupot dali aguyot. Ang buong labi. Wala aguyot. Jad loob. Akaloob. Nanto, patayan nyo. Tayan kanan to. Tayan buong labi. Naman tayo. At least, importante may mahihigaan ka. O, maganda-ganda naman. O, huwag kang magreklamo.
Mas mabango pa kaysa doon sa pinupuntahan natin mga
Oo nga. You know what she's looking for, Daddy? She's looking for Walmart.
You didn't even show Walmart in the
Yes, I did.
the closest.
Sabi naman nila, bakit daw kasi si Daddy ang tanongin mo, bakit dito tayo pinupunta? So, tingnan natin kung mahanap siyang base ng rice cooker para makaluto ng kanin. Kasi, naiwan ko yung saksakan ng... At least, mayroong inihaw kaninang umaga.
experience namin si Jasmine.